You've submitted a document to the Market Center for compliance to review. How do you know if everything's good or if you need to make edits to it? That's what we're going to talk about today. My name's Pete English with Keller Williams in the Atlanta Perimeter office, and let's get started. All right, what we're going to do is I'm going to make an assumption, obviously, that you already know how to use command, you already know how to create an opportunity, and you know how to submit that opportunity for review. So if you'll notice in the top right corner, there's a little bell with a red button. That little red button tells us that you have communication and somebody wants to talk to you. So we left click one time on the red bell, and it says that this particular listing at 123 Main Street has been returned. Your compliance request for the listing has been returned. You'll be able to resubmit it when the problem is fixed. Click here to see the detail. So if we click here, it'll bring up the opportunity and it'll bring us into our details tab. Well, that doesn't tell us exactly what the problem is. What we want to do is we want to click on the documents tab. So I left click one time on documents, and notice under listed, there are no problems, but under the under contract tab, I have something that's been returned. So listing looks good, close looks good. Under contract is the problem. So here are all of my documents relative to listed because we have the green bar. What we want to do is look at all the documents relative to under contract. So I'm going to left click one time on under contract, and notice my purchase and sell has been rejected. And if I simply click over this red button right here, it says missing buyer's signature. Please correct and resubmit for review. So that's where my issue is. This document right here does not have a signature on it. So I need to make sure I get my signatures, get them back from all the parties, and then simply come over here and replace this bad document with the correct document. That's all you got to do. Hopefully that helps you. And if you need more information, certainly hit me up. I'm glad to help you out. And good luck on your opportunities. All righty? Thanks.